This is the toilet bowl coupling and donut fixing kit. Each pack contains a durable plastic donut seal, along with all the screws and fixings you need to secure your toilet firmly to the floor. The donut sits neatly between the toilet base and the floor flange, creating a solid, leak-free connection that keeps everything stable and aligned. Installation is simple and straightforward. Carefully position the toilet over the flange so the seal sits correctly, then tighten the screws evenly. This prevents any wobble, ensures the toilet stays secure, and keeps water flowing where it should, without leaks or drips. You don't need special tools, and the process is quick and manageable for most homeowners. The kit's components are compact but made from strong, long-lasting materials. It's perfect for replacing a worn gas kit, fixing a slightly loose toilet, or maintaining a proper seal over time. Because it's easy to fit, you don't need to replace the entire toilet or flange, saving both time and money. Using this kit gives you a simple, effective, and reliable solution. It stabilizes your toilet, prevents leaks, and keeps it performing correctly for years to come. Ideal for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, or anyone wanting a low-cost, practical repair that really works and lasts.